Good morning, students. Today again we are going to start with the chapter Carbon and its compound. Now, today's topic is the covalent bonding in carbon compound and examples of formation of covalent bond. Now, carbon is tetravalent and tetrahedral. We know carbon has 4 electron in valence shell, so it needs 4 more electron to complete its octet. Now what is the octet? By to achieve the stable configuration of nearest inert gas, that is neon, and it get electrons by mutual sharing, so it forms 4 covalent bond. So its covalency is 4 and usually represented by 4 single bond. So therefore carbon forms 4 covalent bond, and in other word carbon is tetravalent. Sometime it is asked what is tetravalent. So tetra means 4 and valent means valency. 4 is the valency of carbon. So these 4 valencies are usually represented by 4 single bond. Now Dutch scientist J. Vance Hoff and French scientist C. Lee Bell, both independently in 1874, pointed out that 4 valencies of carbon do not lie in a plane but are directed towards the 4 corner of regular tetrahedron. In other words, carbon is tetrahedral. The angle between any two adjacent valencies is 109 degree and 28 minutes, which is also called tetrahedral angle. This angle 109 degrees, I have used star instead of degree, which is also called a tetrahedral angle. So now types of covalent bond, if we talk, the covalent bond are of 3 types. What are the 3 types? These are single bond, double bond and triple bond. Now, if each atom contribute 1 electron, the covalent bond formed is the single covalent bond and it is represented by a single line. Single line is there. And if each atom contribute 2 electron, the covalent bond formed is called double bond and is represented by a double line. And if each atom contributes 3 electron, the covalent bond formed is called triple bond and represented by a triple line. 3 lines are there. Okay. Now, examples of formation of covalent bond. First of all, formation of hydrogen molecule. The atomic number of hydrogen is 1. Hence, hydrogen has 1 electron in K shell and thus require 1 more electron to complete the K shell. So, 2 hydrogen atoms share 1 electron each to form a molecule of hydrogen H2. By doing so, each hydrogen atom attains stable electronic configuration of nearest noble gas, that is helium, which has 2 electrons at K shell. As we know, one hydrogen atom has 1 electron and it requires 1 more electron to complete its octet. So when we are combining one H atom with another one H atom, if we make their electron dot structure, then H has 1 electron, it can be represented by dot or a cross. Similarly here. So these are being shown. And this is the how these they will overlap each other and form shared electron or a shared pair. So a single pair of electrons is being shared, so the bond form will be between 2 hydrogen atom will be the single bond. So here the shared pair is said to constitute a single covalent bond between 2 hydrogen atom and is represented by a single line between the 2 hydrogen atom. Further, since each hydrogen atom share 1 electron to form H2 molecule, therefore valency of hydrogen is 1. In other words, hydrogen is monovalent. Okay. Now, next is the formation of Cl2 molecule. The atomic number of chlorine, as we know, is 17. So electronic configuration will be 2, 8 and 7. So chlorine has 7 electron in its valence shell, that is M shell. Therefore it need one more electron to complete the M shell to change into 8. It needs one more electron. So two chlorine atoms share one electron each to form a diatomic molecule of chlorine Cl2. By doing so, each chlorine atom will attain a stable electronic configuration to nearest noble gas, that is argon. So this is the chlorine. It has 7 electron in valence shell. So we are drawing the Lewis structure with 7 electrons similarly here. Now how they will share? This one electron pair will be shared by both the chlorine each, and as a single electron pair is shared, so there will be a formation of single bond. So the shared pair constitute a single covalent bond between the two chlorine atom and is represented by a single line between the two chlorine atom. The three pair of electrons on each chlorine atom therefore are not involved in bond formation are called unshared electrons. These three, 1, 2 and 3, three pair. So these are known as unshared pair or lone pair. Further, since each chlorine atom share one electron to form Cl2 molecule, therefore valency of chlorine is 1. In other words, chlorine is monovalent. Now, formation of ammonia molecule. If we continue with the ammonia molecule, the nitrogen has 5 electron in valence shell, that is L shell. 2, 5. Therefore, it needs 3 more electrons to complete its electronic configuration of nearest noble gas, that is neon. So in other words, atomic number of hydrogen is 1. And therefore it has one electron in K shell and it needs one more electron to get stable electronic configuration nearest to the noble gas, that is helium. In order to complete its octet, nitrogen share 3 of its valence electron like this. 2 electron pair is here and 3 jitne bhi share hone we will make separately 1, 2 and 3. And there are 3 hydrogen atom with single 1 electron. It's so nitrogen atom electron are represented by a dot and it's are represented by a cross. Now while sharing 3 hydrogen you will make with separate 1 electron with each shared with the nitrogen atom. And in center, nitrogen will also take 1 electron from each hydrogen to complete its octet, and each hydrogen will take 1 electron from nitrogen to complete its duplet. Further, since nitrogen atoms share 3 electrons in NH3 molecule, therefore valency of nitrogen is 3 and it is trivalent. Okay. And the pair of electron on nitrogen atom which are not involved in bond formation, this one is not participating in bond formation. So this is known as the lone pair. Further, since formation of methane molecule. Methane is the simplest carbon compound and its formula is CH4. Now, first of all, carbon, it has atomic number 6, so electronic configuration will be 2, 4. So carbon requires 4 more electron to complete its octet, and we know carbon is tetravalent. On the other hand, atomic number of hydrogen is 1. So hydrogen requires 1 more electron to complete its duplet. So how we'll make the structure? We will make 1 carbon with 4 electron and 4 atoms of hydrogen will participate with single electron. Like this, in center we will draw carbon with 4 electron and each hydrogen which is taking 1 electron and sharing carbon also 1 electron to complete carbon's octet. So here 2 to 4 to 6 and to 8. By taking 1 electron each from 1 hydrogen, it has completed its octet, and each hydrogen is completing its 2 electron, that is duplet, by taking from the carbon. And as 1 electron pair is shared, so there will be formation of 4 single covalent bond. Okay. So this is how the formation of methane molecule take place.